Navigator Sports, the better fitness choice.
My name is Diane.
And I'm Bern.
And grabe guys, it has been quite a while since we last saw each other and we were around each other and magkasama-kasama tayo. And I'm so excited for today!
Yes, oo nga guys. We've missed NaviFam so much. That is why we are back with Season 2! Yes!
So guys, ano mga ganap dito sa Season 2?
Of course! So for Season 2 ng Navigator Sports, we will be having more special guests, more promo codes for our loyal customers, more training tips, and many more!
Yes, guys, so what are we waiting for? Make sure, guys, that you are subscribed to our channel. And if you're not yet, click that subscribe button now. And don't forget to click that notification bell so updated kayo sa lahat ng mga pasabog namin. Super excited na ako.
Yes!
Nandito kami sa car nagsushoot is because we're heading out to meet with the leader of Billionaire Gang. Pang klase talaga. You know, he's a really successful YouTuber. Dati napapanood ko lang yan, no? Grabe, and favorite ko yung scene where sa vlog niya, sa girlfriend niya, grabe. Mapapasana all ka na lang. Sana all. Yung proposal na sobrang nakakakilig. And wait, meron pa. Na-touch ako sobra dun sa, nag-donate siya ng sacks of rice to the less fortunate itong pandemic, diba? Oh, his daily vlogs got me so much. As in, every time na may vlog siya, may lesson talagang natututunan, lalo na sa ating mga younger generations, my goodness. And ito pa yung pinaka-solid, yung teamwork, yung sama-sama nila as Billionaire Gang. My goodness, grabe, nakaka-inspire sobra yung teamwork nila.
And entertaining. As you've probably guessed by now, our special guest for today is none other than Sir Von Ordona!
Yes, guys. Mr. Von Ordona purchased a gym set from us now! Sports! Grabe.
Wow, ibang klase talaga. So, ready ka na ba?
Yes, ready na ako. Tara na! Let's go!
Ayan guys, nandito na kami.
Yes, we are here!
Tayo naman, mga nung kotse. Nandyan na rin yung Navi truck. Ayan.
Oh, it's here! What are we waiting for? Let's go, guys!
Oh, kaya nandito na kami sa bahay ni Mr. Von Ordona.
Magandang umaga muna sa NaviFam. Welcome dito sa Billionaire Gang House. Gusto ko magpasalamat, of course, sa Navigator Sports dahil sinadya nila tayo dito. At nandito sila ngayon dahil sa isang matinding partnership namin pagdating sa fitness ng Billionaire Gang.
Kwento naman yung NaviFam natin about your fitness journey. Matagal ka na bang nag-workout?
Yung journey ko before, kasi ganito 3 years ago, super, into fitness talaga ako before. As in, nagkakasakit ako kapag hindi ako nag-workout.
Yeah.
Tapos, kung mapapakita niyo yung mga picture ko dyan before nung lagi pa ako nag-gym, I'm very fit, I'm very physique. Lessen yung body fat ko. Win-workout ko siya for straight 1.5 years na talagang puro fitness, puro gym. Tapos ito yung naging resulta. Ayan, kung makikita niyo yung picture na yan. And ngayon, napabayaan ko na. Dahil, na-realize ko nun before, gym ako ng gym, shit, wala naman akong kinikita. Sabi ko, wala naman akong kinikita, gym ako ng gym. I'm spending a lot of time sa gym. Tapos, sabi ko, baka mag-settle down, muna ako, i-set aside ko muna yung gym. Kaya ngayon, napabayaan yung katawan ko. Wala na akong six-pack like nung nakita yung picture na yan. Wala na, as in, palopo na lang yan. Tapos yung chest ko, hindi na siya, basta yung wala siyang linya dito. Parang kasi napabayaan na nga, in short.
What made you purchase? Kasi gusto nyo nga kung maging physically fit ulit? Or...
Ito na nga. Special mention nito because of the Battle of the YouTubers. We have an upcoming match. That is why, mga months ago, lagi ako naghahanap sa SM, sa mga mall, ng quality na gym equipments. Tapos, mapapalagay ko dito sa BG House. Kasi, for us to be convenient, umuulan ngayon, tapos pandemic, ayoko naman silang lumalabas. Diba? So, sabi ko, bakit hindi dito sa Billionaire Gang? Wala naman talagang imposible. Kahit dito sa Billionaire Gang House, pwede tayo magpa-set up ng equipment dito. Ngayon, naghahanap ako sa mga mall kung sino yung pwede kong makakausap. Wala naman ako nakausap, and very happy and blessed and grateful ako na nakausap ko ang Navigator Sports. At syempre, binigyan nila ako ng very good package, tapos very talaga na quality yung mga equipments nila, tapos affordable. Kaya, bakit hindi sa inyo, di ba?
Yes! Matutulungan kita talaga ng Navigator Sports dyan. Talk to us about yung training mo before. Balita ko, magaling ka sa basketball. parang first runner-up.
Anong dami ko na rin background pagdating sa mga fitness, pagiging athletic. Kaya ako nanalo before sa basketball. But this time kasi, yung nagiging tournament is palakas ng palakas yung mga kalaban. Ito yung malaking tulong talaga, Navigator Sports of course. Yung magiging big help sa journey na ginagalawan ko ngayon sa Battle of the YouTubers. And of course, big help not just for me, but for the rest of the Billionaire. Dahil, mas magiging focus at motivated na sila to work on themselves para maging better version sila ng sarili nila.
Paano nyo kami Navigator Sports nahanap? Or did we meet your initial expectations?
Actually, si M kasi yung secretary natin ng Billionaire Gang, yung nakakita sa inyo. And sinabi niyo sa akin, Von, tingnan mo to, nakakausap ko na yung Navigator Sports. And they have a good price pagdating sa mga equipments nila. Tapos, bibigyan nila tayong package. So sabi ko, uy, perfect. Perfect to kasi that's what we need. Yung talagang magkaroon tayo ng partnership within Navigator Sports sa ex-Billionaire Gang. Very perfect talaga.
Ayan, that's right. So, before we go into the package, any more future plans for you, Sir Von? Ano abangan natin pa? Aside from
Ito na nga, ang mga abangan ko, syempre. Pwede ko tayo pumunta doon. Tara, pumunta tayo doon. Yung magiging setup natin dito. Actually, yung itong Billionaire Gang na setup
dito
gym
siya
natin.
set up.
Sa parking lang po. Kasi since pwede naman kami mag-park sa labas, dito na lang. Tapos siguro very comfortable na to. Ito yung abangan nyo na magiging setup niya. Tapos yung magiging proseso namin using the equipments. Tsaka meron tayong mga parating na laban kasi. Kaya maraming salamat sa Navigator Sports kasi sila yung kasama natin sa laban na to, pare. Di ba? Parang pakyaw lang. Laban na to!
So, tara, Billionaire Gang, support natin si Sir Von. So, bali guys, before we end this video, si Sir Von na rin ang magpapasurprise sa inyo ng topic namin for today.
And of course, kasi syempre, blessed ako because I have Navigator Sports sa Billionaire Gang. Hindi lang kami yung blessed dahil kayo rin. Syempre, yung surprise namin sa inyo is yung Navigator Sports. Just use the promo code na Von or Donna5 para kapag magkukuha kayo ng mga one equipment sa Navigator Sports, it will give you 5% discount, right?
Yes.
So, sobrang solid yan dahil syempre may discount kayo. At the same time, kapag package naman yung kukunin nyo, Von or Donna package. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
At yung Von or Donna package niyan, just use the promo code and it will give you 20% discount. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Don't worry guys, those promo codes will be flashed on the screen. Sir Von, on behalf of the Navi team, we would like to thank you for trusting Navigator Sports as your fitness equipment partner.
Grabe.
Yes, guys.
Parang kinalimutan ako na may partner na kami. No? Well, very happy kami dito. Hindi lang obvious sa mga to kasi kakagising lang.
Malakas ako, pre.
Well, papalakas na kami dito. Maraming salamat sa Navigator Sports at sa inyo, ma'am, sa pagtiwala sa amin na talagang Navigator Sports yung magiging susi. Yan, susi sa mga pangarap na body goals na.
Yes! Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was fun and inspiring for you guys to start your fitness journeys as well.
Yes, sir. Abangan nyo yung magiging setup natin dito, of course, ng Billionaire Gang parking gym natin. Gym sa parking lang. Ayan, guys.
Subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell button para pag may bago kaming upload, manonotify agad kayo. And
makikita nyo ang mga pasabog naming other surprises for Season 2! Yes! So head on over also to all our social media pages and don't forget to like all those as well. Links are all gonna be down below. And don't forget guys, head on over to Von Ordona's YouTube page. All of those links are gonna be down below.
Sure.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank
See
you.
you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.